Using equations in input fields, let's say we want to add 50 pixels margin, image, canvas size, and we can count 50 times 2 is 100, but this doesn't matter, plus 15 times 2, and here, and we have exactly 50 margin. You can use it, I think, in every field that's with numbers. We can /2 is for divide, and to evaluate it, just press tab and it's done. Just half. Display megapixel size in the status bar. Let's edit, preferences, title and status, and here you can use your own. For size it's % and capital M. I add my mega M pix because it's more convenient for me. Quick guides. Just make the ruler visible, view show rulers, and then you can hold mouse key and drag from it the guides. If you want to move it, you can use the move tool and pick a layer or guide and just move it to the ruler again, and it's gone. Drawing straight lines, that's very basic but good to know. Just click in the first point, and then with when you hold shift you can just draw lines, and that can be used for other tools, like let's say healing tool. Click here, click here, and it's somehow gone. Using modes in tools. It doesn't work for healing tool, but for clone tool it's working. Here you have mode. You can, if we have normal and we want to delete this, it doesn't look good. We could work on that, but let's try with hue. It looks much better. Just find the hue that really works for you. I mean mode, not hue. Using second layer for object removal or generally for selection. Duplicate layer, and now For example, exposure. Just do whatever you need to get the proper image to work on your selection. And now selection and switch to the original one and delete, and it's much easier than working with this one. As I said, this is not complicated case, but you will find this useful for any sorts. For example, you can easily select the whole tree and, for example, make it black. Like this. Creating a cow or camouflage pattern. Filters, render, noise, difference clouds. Now colors, posterize, and with two colors you have cow, with more you have camouflage alike. Now you can colorize it. It's very quick and results are nice. Selective restoring part of the image. We can erase something with eraser tool and then hold Alt and restore it. Or we can click on anti-erase. But what's cool, it's not only for eraser. Let's say we selected this, or okay, this. Now delete, sorry, anti-erase this part as well.